Good morning everyone, it's currently 2:15 a.m. here in Ubud, Bali, and today is a very exciting day because we'll be heading to one of the most famous volcanoes here in Bali called Mount Batur. So Mount Batur is actually not my first time there. Last time I was there was 5 years ago on a school trip to Bali. So I was on a school trip about geography, so I was studying geology, I was studying about volcanic rocks, I was studying about rocks and stuff. So very exciting because I'll be going back to the same place and all the memories will start flowing in as soon as I reach the top, I feel like. And I think one thing I remember from last time was that instead of stepping on soil, I was stepping on ashes. So every step I make, I was sinking. So I think that was probably the most memorable, and I'm very excited to go back there and experience the same feeling again with new friends. The reason I'm speaking like this is because my homestay is not very noise proof, so I gotta keep my volume down. But anyway, our driver has arrived, so let's head out now. Very nice view.